In this video, we'll be showing you how to add an electrostatic shutoff to the 2K Smart Mod. In order to add an electrostatic shutoff, you'll need the following item. First, we'll start by releasing the retainer with a flathead screwdriver as shown. Next, we'll install the relay with the clip side facing the bottom of the cabinet. Now we can place the retainer piece back onto the bracket. Next, remove one of the cabinet plugs in the lower right, but reinstall the nut. Take your extension cable and run the wires up through the hole. Next, run the extension cable behind the matrix valves and wires. Mount the cable to the back of the cabinet with this plied clip as shown. Insert the red wire into the number 14 slot and the white wire into the number 11 slot of the relay. We'll now install the connection wires between the relay and the D2X2 outputs. The D2X2 outputs are located in the Uni CAN I/O module in the top left of the cabinet. It'll be easiest to run the wires up through the tracks within the 2K Smart Mod. Connect a wire from the D2X2 slot 17 to A1 on the relay and a wire from slot 7 to A2. Last step is to enable the electrostatic in the user interface. Click on the menu button, followed by I/O config. Scroll down until you find the Q14 slot. Click on the Q14 slot, followed by OK signal P1.